Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.